Hello students, I hope you all are safe at home. Today I am going to explain you lesson number 13 and the name of the lesson is Disaster Management. As the word disaster strikes our ears, it awakens fear in our mind. Disasters are also commonly known as calamities, happenings and catastrophes. Along with disaster, one always thinks of destruction and loss. We are aware of the risk of disaster. The reason for planning of scarcity and relief operation must be taken into account and the details of the circumstances responsible for it, since this information is very useful for our rescue operation. The experts in disaster management have divided disaster into two types: natural disaster and man made disaster. Flood, cyclone, tsunami, drought, earthquake, volcano, forest fire, etc. are natural disaster, while fire, industrial accidents, bomb blast, riots, traffic problems, etc. are man made disaster. Flood, tsunami, cyclone, and drought can be predicted, but earthquake, volcano, and forest fire cannot be predicted. Now, the topic is earthquake. Generally, vibration experienced on the Earth's surface is called earthquake. A geological process that takes place in the earth crust is responsible for this phenomenon. Areas with a weak surface of the earth are considered to be an earthquake prone area. Such areas can be identified, but accurate earthquake prediction is not possible. So, when this disaster takes place, we have to bear an heavy loss of life and property. Now, precaution to be taken at the time of the earthquake. Now, what to do? Sit under the bench in the classroom. Stay away from electric pole and wires. Know about the authentic news through radio and TV. Now, what not to do? Not to shout and panic. Not to use elevator to get down from tall buildings. Not to switch on device like gas or electricity in the house without surety. Now student, you can see map of Gujarat earthquake prone area. So please go through this map on page number 74. Now, like to know, the intensity of an earthquake is measured in units called Richter scale. The greater the intensity, the more destruction occurs. Now, children, on page number 75, one chart is given of earthquake in Gujarat. So, first serial number 16 June 1819, place Kutch, and Richter scale intensity of earthquake was 8.2. Now serial number 2, 12th July 1915, place Anjar, Kutch, intensity 6.1. Serial number 3, 26th January 2001, place Kutch, and intensity was 7.6/7.7. Now the next topic is cyclone. The destructive cyclone occurs due to the imbalance conditions created due to the atmospheric pressure. The eastern coast of the India, Malabar coast and the coastal region of Kutch and Saurashtra in Gujarat experience the disastrous effect of cyclone. Now, precaution to be taken during the cyclone. First, before cyclone. Accurately know the details of the cyclone prone area. Migrate according to the instruction of the department. If you are in a low lying area near the sea, go to the high lying area. Keep food, torch, drinking water, cloth, radio, necessary medicines ready. Turn off the electricity and gas connections. Listen to the radio for the accurate information. Now, during cyclone, what to do? Close the doors and windows on getting the warning. If you are in school, don't go out of the classroom. If you are in the vehicle, park it away from electric pole, tree and away from sea and remain inside the vehicle. Follow strictly the instructions of the management of the rescue centers. Relieve animals from hooks. If they are released, they can save themselves. Do not take shelter under hoarding or trees. Now, after cyclone, don't go out even though weather seems clear and the winds are off. Sudden wind and rain may occur. Stay away from hanging and open wires. Don't be an obstacle in relief and rescue work by gathering with curiosity. Return home only after getting instruction from the department. Be helpful in relief and rescue work. Do not make phone calls except call for help. Due to unnecessary calling, the network will disturb and rescue work also get disturbed. Now student, I will explain you the further topic in my next video. Thank you.